Michigan's battle over abortion keeps shifting and changing, with access to the procedure hanging in the balance. Right now, two court rulings are protecting providers and women from prosecution. An Oakland County judge issued a temporary restraining order that prevents county prosecutors from enforcing a 1931 law that bans abortions in most cases. A court of claims judge suspended the state law in May, saying it's most likely unconstitutional. But Monday, the Court of Appeals said that ruling didn't apply to county prosecutors. After Roe versus Wade was overturned, confusion has really been playing out all across the country and right here in Michigan. Today, Paula Tutman is speaking to a local doctor who's seen women from other states flooding into Michigan. She's also seen their emotional reactions as the legal battles make them wonder what comes next.
Right now, abortion is still legal in Michigan, and that means abortion providers are inundated as women pour across state lines.
Kind of confusing how it's laid out.
This is one of the Northland Family Planning Centers in Metro Detroit. This morning, OBGYN Dr. Audrey Lance starts her day with a staffer. This is the calm before the storm. Since the overturning of Roe v. Wade, Michigan has become a destination for women seeking abortion medical care.
We definitely are inundated. It has been exhausting, but I am very thankful that we are still here. I am thankful that we are open for business and to see patients and care for them from all over Ohio, Indiana, Michigan. I've even seen patients as far away as from Texas.
But the law here is fragile and tentative and often confusing, even to the providers. Like last Monday, when the Michigan Court of Appeals ruled that Michigan's 83 county prosecutors could begin enforcing the abortion ban.
I had to step in front of a waiting room full of patients who were there that morning to get abortion care, and were just sitting, waiting patiently to see the doctor. And I had to tell them that I wasn't sure if we could care for them that day. It was absolutely panic, gasps, tears. It was heartbreaking. It was absolutely crushing to have to tell patients that.
One of Dr. Lance's patients, a 13-year-old rape victim.
It is also just very crushing to have a patient, in this particular patient, have to walk through our protesters. And just to imagine being a young person, 13, 14, you're just trying to go to school, you know, you're just trying to be a kid, and to have to go through that, it's heartbreaking.
As both sides of the abortion issue duke it out in court, the reverberations are felt in the packed waiting rooms. The providers work through it, stop when they must to have their attorneys interpret whatever ruling is coming down, continuing when it's safe to do so.
It actually makes me tear up a little bit. People should not have to go through this. People should not have to wonder if the day that they happen to be sitting in the doctor's office, if they're going to be able to get the care they need. And that goes for all health care.
And this will continue until this is settled in the state of Michigan. Paula Tutman, Local 4.
There are other challenges in the works. Governor Whitmer has asked Michigan Supreme Court to declare the 1931 law unconstitutional, so that case is pending. Plus, voters could get a chance to vote on the issue on the November ballot. Of course, we'll keep you posted on all of this.